Okay, so for today I'm gonna do, I haven't come up with the title yet, but it's like hairstyles when your hair is wet. So like, I don't know if you're like in a rush and you don't want to like, leave your hair wet. You want it to still look nice. And I also do these hairstyles, since my hair is transitioning as well, and so it really makes the roots like much smoother. And then once it's dry, I always take like the hairdo out, either one of these hairdos that I'll like show you guys, and it just like makes my hair much more manageable because it like smooths the edges and roots down. Okay, so my hair has just been washed. I just put some products in. It's nice and detangled. So let's get to the video. Also, like, I always mix and match like different hair products that I have because I get it in like small formats, most of them. And so here is a bunch of them. Yeah, so I'll just like link below what they are so that you guys can see, and also probably do like a video of like different products like to use or not to use, and if it's worth the hype, DevaCurl or like BB or like SheaMoisture, all that. So I'll do like reviews once I've like tried them out, like like different products, and see to actually make a proper review. So yeah. Okay, first hairstyle is going to be a side low bun, and this one I actually love a lot because it just like makes it looks like much more, I don't know, like it looks like really chic, and it's like a really nice summer look as well. And so I'm gonna do like two hairstyles with the side part. I'm gonna use this comb because it's like better. Yeah, let's get to this.
Hazel, her eyes are hazel, and her haze got me going insane. Hazel, her eyes are hazel, every tear is a razor blade. Something about the way she makes me smile lets me know that we gon' be just fine. Nose ring, dope bling. When I'm with her, I'm never worried about a no thing. I even smile when the phone rings. Like, hello, my heart, you have the whole thing. When I see you, it's lights, camera, action. Being silly, then loving your reaction. But the fact is, I never had this feeling that I'm feeling in the past, but I'm past it. Our love is perfect, like fiction. Hear my heart beating hard like a kick drum. When I don't kiss her, I miss her. She could be my missus, and I could be her mister. Every day seems better than the last. I'm at first with you when life is great. Fast forward, past all the talking. We'll dance and we'll party together till we crash. Hazel, her eyes are hazel, and her haze got me going insane. Hazel, her eyes are hazel, every tear is a razor blade. Something about the way she makes me smile lets me know that we gon' be just fine. Redhead in a sundress, we undress in your bed, then we drop dead. I'm really tired, and so are you. We'll wake up in the morning and watch some cartoons. It's like Cupid hit me with a harpoon. It's May, but soon it'll be June. Let's just lay in bed till noon. Love and laughter fills our room. You love it when your lipstick is on me. It means that I'm all yours, and we're jolly. I'm falling deeper in love. If love was a hill, it's steeper above, but no one above. I'm stuck staring in your beautiful eyes. You're so fly, I might glide. She's amazing, no complaining. She's the greatest. I mean it, baby. Hazel, her eyes are hazel, and her haze got me going insane. Hazel, her eyes are hazel, every tear.
Okay, so for the second hairstyle, it is it's just like, I also use a side part as well, and it just is a low ponytail. And this one's really nice as well, because plus, like, since my hair has grown out a bit, like, it used to be super short. It used to be like short till here, and it didn't grow for like a long while. This is also a reason why I'm like transitioning, because I want like really long curly hair. Anyways, so now that it's long enough, the ponytail, well, you can't see that. For the ponytail, it gets, you know, like to the back, so it looks pretty nice, you know. But I feel like this could also look well with like short hair as well. Like, you know, if it's like short to like here, I don't know if your short hair is that short. Like that, you know, it still looks cute. Okay, that was it basically. You just do side part, that, and then if you want your hair to like stay in, just use like some hairspray. I use this one. I'll link it down below as well, because this one's really nice because it doesn't like make your hair hard and it smells good. So okay, for this third hairstyle, it's also a low bun, but it's a middle part and the bun isn't on the side, so it's like really nice as well. It's like a casual yet chic hairstyle. I just re-put some water on because my hair was getting a little bit dry at the roots, so I would recommend like, you know, like getting like a little spray bottle like this and just spraying it, you know, because sometimes for me it takes a couple, like, see this part, it's shit as fuck. And it's like, it takes like a couple of times for me to like get the right part that I want. Like right now, do you see what this is doing? Like this is not okay. And during this time, like your hair gets, like, it dries out a bit, you know? So, you wanna keep that spray bottle near you, just in case.
With you when life is grand. Fast forward, past all the talking. We'll dance and we'll party together till we crash. Hazel, her eyes are hazel. In a haze got me going insane. Hazel, her eyes are hazel. Every tear is a razor blade. Something about the way she makes me smile. Lets me know that we gon' be just fine. Redhead in a sundress, we undress in your bed, then we drop dead. I'm really tired, and so are you. We'll wake up in the morning and watch some cartoons. It's like Cupid hit me with a harpoon. It's May, but soon it'll be June. Let's just lay in bed till noon. Love and laughter fills our room. You love it when your lipstick is on me. It means that I'm all yours, and we're jolly. I'm falling deeper in love. If love was a hill, it's steeper above, but no one above. I'm stuck staring in your beautiful eyes. You're so fly, I might glide. She's amazing, no complaining. She's the greatest. I mean it, baby. Hazel, her eyes are hazel. In a haze got me going insane. Hazel, her eyes are hazel. Every tear is a razor blade. Something about the way she makes me smile. Lets me know that we gon' be just fine.
So, for this final hairstyle, I'm going to be doing, sorry about that, I'm getting this. So it's like a high bun, so I'll show you guys.
Hazel, her eyes are hazel. In a haze got me going insane. Hazel, her eyes are hazel. Every tear is a razor blade. Something about the way she makes me smile. Lets me know that we gon' be just fine. Nose ring, dope bling. When I'm with her, I'm never worried about a no thing. I even smile when the phone rings. Like hello, my heart, you have the whole thing. When I see you, it's lights, camera, action. Being silly then, loving your reaction. But the fact is I never had half this feeling that I'm feeling in the past, but I'm past it. Our love is perfect like fiction. Hear my heart beating hard like a kick drum. When I don't kiss her, I miss her. She could be my missus, and I could be her mister. Every day seems better than the last. I'm at first with you when life is grand. Fast forward, past all the talking. We'll dance and we'll party together till we crash. Hazel, her eyes are hazel. In a haze got me going insane. Hazel, her eyes are hazel.
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, if you like this makeup look that I have, which is kind of like a glowy natural makeup look, I'll be doing a video tutorial on this in like a week. So if you turn your notifications on, then you'll get it right away. Bye!